Hello בנות, עכשיו now I'm in my Moodle and I'm entering my Moodle. I just want to show you where I have on the left side I have the other courses that I'm in, and I would like to show you the pre-academic general and the 100 people, etc. Here is the pre-academic general. I scroll down till I see 100 people. So first we need to introduce the 100 people project to our students. So here we have 100 people homepage. I'm opening it on a new page and I will show it to you. It looks like this. Here when we scroll down we have the introduction video. I recommend you to use it and watch it, and when you show the introduction video, I also recommend you to use this booklet anyway for any reason. Just a second. So this is the booklet that we use for 100 people. So this worksheet is a good worksheet for the introduction one. You can give it to the students as a worksheet, and they can just tick the ones they hear on the video that they watch. So, and for the rest I'm going to show it to you again. So I go back to 100 people. This is the introduction video, and here you will see it says global issues. There is some explanation about it here. What we need to do is these are the global issues that they speak about. Generally we follow the order here: water, food, transportation, health, economy, etc. So we start with water, and when you click you will see that water through our lens. Here there is another video for each global issue. There is a video, and when we look at the booklet, where is the booklet? You will see that the first one is water. What's the problem, etc. Where is the problem? This is the worksheet that you can either project on the screen, on the whiteboard in the classroom, or you can give as a worksheet to your students. And here you also have the link to the Quizlet and the Kahoot that we have. And here this is the link that takes you straight to the video that I wanted to show you now. I don't know why it doesn't open, but it opens generally. So this is all about 100 people. I recommend you to go over the videos and the booklet before you start semester bet. And besides this, I'm back to the pre-academic general site. You will see here we have some material for 100 people, and then we have the Quizlets for each issue, and then we have extras for each issue. Let's say food, transportation. You can use the texts here and other materials. These are extras again. Again, vocabulary games. What else I can recommend you? We also have an hour of online teaching. Here we have the articles with Moodle quizzes here. Sorry, it's this one. So here I don't use the high ones because it's a bit too high for the level I'm teaching for the time being. Let's say we can use for transportation the cardboard bicycle text. For let's say for water we can use this text. For shelter we can use this text. I don't know, for transportation we can use car sharing. For food we can use this one. We have a lot that we can choose and that we can use. Meat, for example, again we can use it for food. This is another bank of materials that we have here. And that's it for the time being. If you have any questions, I'm available.